Morning everyone. Early doors. And this is our ice. Hey! What are you doing, little one? Hey! Rescued you from certain death, didn't we? Hey? Look at it all. It's amazing. Looks like it's going to be a nice day to dry it as well. Never shuts up. I know where Mimi gets it from now. Hey, is that good or not? All that rice? Huh? Got a pain in my leg today. Killer. Anyway, I'm gonna get something to eat. Mimi! Smile! Smile! Hey, did you buy a blue net? Had to buy another blue net. Too much rice. Pardon? No, not allowed. No work permit. Ah, winter, it's lovely, cool. Don't know where I'm going to get all the bags from to bag it up. He never stops talking. Pepsi! I have to put Rocky in the house. He just goes nuts when he sees Minnie's dad. Trained him well. No whiskey, Thailand, no. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, I don't think. Hey-oh. Where are you going, Mimi?
Go to temple.
Why?
Money tree, Katin. Katin!
There you go, temple. As you can see, sacking up time. So how many we got?
กินไหมกินไทยแลนด์
About 42 count so far. We had about whiskey Thailand yet, done anything yet?
Yeah. Đi bơi lại, đi Thailand.
Yeah, later.
Nó có mà bà. Vô cái tay nhá.
Yeah, right. Put it on the trailer.
One turn thôi.
Hey?
Ở gì không nương.
Let's do 5 at a time. Right. Slow work this. The night's going to be drawing in soon. Lovely rice. Barely any grass seed in it, which is good. Shed loads. Look at you. Look at her. Come on then. Use your teeth. Use your teeth.
ก็อีเซเว่นเชียวชีสเนี่ยนะ
Special teeth. Aye.
I'm not being something to open นะ
How
people can get what just open beer
Give to me.
have one last thing
One left. Not hard, is it? Thought you were Thai.
แบตเตอรี่รันเอาแล้วนี่รอบมันกินสบายไหมเวลารอบนะโอ้ yeah strong right there gonna be so dear keep going baby keep going good boy tell you not got girlfriend or any wife farmer farm come on up 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 boom two more up 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 that's easy 30 kilo for one bag
50. Says 50 on the bag.
huh good boy well done ขับรถทำไมขับรถ
เราจะกินเบียร์บอลน่ะน้ำอากาศให้ซุน
นี่ยังบ่ได้ดอก
no water
ตาให้ตาใหญ่เขาจะบอกบ้าเด้กินยังไม่บอกคน
ไปคีบก็อิงฝาดพริก no need to pay anyone just sample lại come on come on
Knackered. I ain't done this much work for a long time.
Ooh. Can eat or must to sell some
Chickens eat.
what
Lots of.
go right for chicken
Next year grow 50 rye.
take bath for one bath. Rainbow. Come on. Carry on. Tell you not girlfriend farmer.
Where's my help? I'm retired.
I retired farmer, so sorry I'm not to get forward. Take care of my job. One more, come on, baby, come on.
Dead weight.
Amazing, Nani. I tried to calling many people in the village to get this job, and I pay 200-300 baht and feeding. But I got called to really 10 person, my nephew, my family, my friend. They all is answer like I busy too, I can't lie. Oh, just I have to take the right, put in the room like you. So sorry to have things like that. So my parents that, oh my God. So I say, don't worry, mom. Ben and me can do that job. That simple thing, easy for me. So my dad not need me to carry the big bag like that because the man job. But I say to my parents, have I do like that when I younger? Now of course I can do that, mom. So we do have 2 more time to carry. Have really 10 bags. Gonna finish. Okay, say bye for now because battery low and
Bye bye.
bye bye. See you when see you. Oh Jesus.
Yay, Pepsi. That's us done for tonight. We just finished in time. Still got some rice, but that's going to be the seed for next year, and we're going to put that in a white sack. You have to dry it extra dry. So we're going to keep that in just plain white sacks, so we know it's for seed. 8 bags, but there's more than 8 bags there, I think. Anyway, we'll see. Whoa, hard work day. Hands are burning. Did my back in earlier. Easy to do. And you ain't done a lot for a long time. Let's have a relax. See how long I can sit without getting bit by mosquitoes before we go in. It's nice and pleasant. It's amazing how the weather changes, because if you had to do this kind of work in, say, March, April, it'd be murder. So it's weird, you know. The dry season sort of ends like clockwork round about October, beginning, week or 2 into it. And you know, the rice then's ready for harvest, and the temperature drops, which allows you to work a little bit. Say temperature drops, it still gets in the 30s in midday. Well, after 10 o'clock it's in the 30s, and if you're in the sun and there's no cloud, even at this time of year, I think it's probably high 30s. Nice cold shower tonight will do me. I love it anyway. I love this lifestyle. Suits me down to the ground. Alright then, I think we'll catch you later. Next video. See ya. Bye bye.